Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit sila nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Usan na rin yung Brother High's Po Restaurant. So wala akong idea sa game na to. I think mamanayin natin yung tindahan ni Bro High's Po. Po ba yan? Po o Po Restaurant. So wala akong idea sa game na to. Ano ba to? Like, I think Vietnamese game. So lalaroin natin siya. Wala tayong idea, diba? So lalaroin ko na siya para sa inyo. Ano pa hinihintay natin? So it's the time to play this game. Child, this po is delicious, Mom. I really love eating po. Po or po? More than my food? No, I love both. When I grow up, I will be an army. When I grow up, I'll open a po restaurant so I can eat po anytime I want. Bro, gusto mo, bata mo pa lang, so paglaki mo, siguro, yeah, bata pa lang siya and now nangangarap siya magkaroon ng po restaurant. So, para daw makakain siya ng po anytime. So, basically, magtatayo ka ng restaurant para sa sarili mo, hindi para sa mga tao na kakain. Diba? Po restaurant, dati ka nagtayo ng restaurant, at gumawa ka na ng po anytime you want. Diba? So, okay. Oh, then, what about your promise to inherit your father's legacy? What kind of legacy, Mom? What kind of legacy yan? Legacy? Inherit your father's legacy? Like, drug lord ba si tatay? Drug lord ba? Or dati ba siyang nag-ano sa DPWH? Nagtatrabaho ba siya sa DPWH? Corrupt ba siya sa gobyerno? Well, presidente ba siya? So na ba tayo? Inherit natin yung legacy ng tatay natin. Alright. Then, if you do open a po restaurant, what will you name it? Maybe, ano ba pangalan niya?
Tin mới cập nhật, sau nhiều tháng mật phục và thu thập chứng cứ, Công an huyện Đan Phượng phối hợp với Phòng Cảnh sát điều tra tội phạm về ma túy Công an thành phố Hà Nội đã triệt phá một đường dây vận chuyển tiêu thụ ma túy với quy mô lớn. Nhiều đối tượng liên quan đã bị bắt giữ, cùng tang vật là các loại ma túy được thu giữ ngay tại hiện trường. Chuyển sang phần tin văn hóa thể thao. Tối qua theo giờ Việt Nam, Man United có chuyến làm khách trên sân của một đội bóng hạng tư đích ai biết tên tuổi. Kết quả không nằm ngoài dự đoán khi Quỷ Đỏ lại thua.
Bro, ang santugtog developed by Misa 0704. Okay, naka jeans pa siya. Music aim to head. Fish, magbubukas ka lang tindahan, may pang-montage ka pa. Pero ganyan naman lang sa panahon ngayon, like, kailangan mo yung record mo sa TikTok, diba? Hey. An indie Vietnamese story. Oh, game! Wala na to. Brother High's Power. Tayo pala nga. Siguro, tayo si High's, I think. Day 1, morning. Today is the grand opening day. So kakabukas pala natin ng po. So ito na, lumaki na tayo. Tapos bubukas tayo ng po. Then hindi tayo magbubukas sa ngayon. And kakainin lang natin siya. I should review my notebook one last time before starting work. Okay, review. Bro, ang cute. Ay! Kumukha niya si Let me do it for you. Gago, ang cute. Wait. Ano meron tayo dito? Chag. Mga baso. Ganyan talaga. Well, sa Asian, I mean sa Asia, ganyan talaga, like, may galon ng tubig, tas baso, and also stand fan, di mawala yung stand fan sa sobrang init ng panahon, and yeah, stall na chair, na walang sandalan, and mangkok, tas yung mga seasonings, seasonings I guess, yung mga paminta, toyo, suka, powder, ganun, nandiyan sa ano na, ala, oy, may comment ng Facebook, nakasulat. Hindi ko mabasa, naka-blurry. Gawa sa Japan. So, siguro yung iba kilala ko dito. So, hindi ko kilala to. Ito, kilala ko siya, pero hindi ko siya alam yung name. Parang familiar siya sa akin. Napapanood ko yung mga game niya. League of Legends player ata siya. I don't think so. And ito yung sabi niya, I'm not weird, and I'll prove it. I got your nose. I'll give it back if we have sex. Kasi ito si Casio, Markiplier, si 8-Bit Ryan. Hindi ko kilala. Ito yung sa TikTok na papanood ko, yung laging extreme, tas horror game nilalaro, hindi ko kilala. Uy, si Cubs! Bro, my idol. Alam niyo yung intro ko guys, yung kung nakita sa kanya yun, I mean, medyo ginaya, alam niyo yun. Bro, pakopya ako ng sagot mo sa exam. Sige bro, kopyahin mo, pero hindi dapat halata. Ganon yung intro niya. Diba? Hindi ko nakilala yung iba. Then, yung pangalan niya, Pet Mr. Gold. Oh, si Mr. Gold. Malata yung bili sa'yo Ang cute. Siya ba yung lulutuin mamaya? Nah, biro lang. Just kidding. Ano to? Teabag? I mean, hindi siya yung teabag. Yung sa teabag, di ba? Yung teabag, medyo maliit lang siya. Like, ganyan lang kalaki. Ito, eco bag na nasa sapaw. Eco bag yung ginamit. Anong laman yan? Aso? Tao? So, main dishes. There, beef po, pre-cooked beef po, beef balls po, rare ball. Okay. Cold rice, youtiao. What is youtiao? So, po recipe steps. Put rice noodles into the bowl first. Place beef, nag-jogging. Okay, may tao na sarap natin. Sprinkle chopped onions. Then, except the po without onions. Finally, okay. And you cannot cook without sitting at a table. When billing, take the customer's money and open the cash drawer to give change if needed. Yun. Kailangan nga ng... Siguro nga, kung kunyari, sobra yung bigay ng customers na pera, syempre, suklihan mo. Hand it to Mr. Gold while cooking. If you mess up, hand it to okay, by clicking on the dog. So, pag nagkamali tayo, bibigyan natin kay Mr. Dog. Papakainin natin siya. So, sa tingin ko, aso yung mabubusog, si Mr. Gold yung mabubusog sa po. Most important, always keep an eye on Mr. Gold. Why? Alis ba siya? Nah, bro. Hindi naman yung gagawin no? Nakatali siya Cutie, cutie, cutie. So, yan. Let's go and talk. Let's talk to him. Middle-aged man. Oh, there's a po restaurant here. Why didn't I know? Nakabukas lang. Kalma. Nakabukas lang. It's just open today, sir. See? Oh, so I'm the first customer today. Yes, buena mano ko, sir. Walang libre. Pag buena mano and kaabukas ko lang, walang libre po. So, alas 6 ng umaga, guys. Nakikita nyo. Yes, the very first customer of the stall. Then, I'll have 1 bowl of rare beef po and 3 youtiaos. Coming right up. What is youtiaos, guys? Rare beef po, youtiao. Ito pala, youtiao. Ito ba yung sabi nilang parang maamoy na pagkain? Okay, po, rice, beef, pre-cooked beef. Okay. So, dish. Ito yung broth. Saan yung nandun ulit? Wait lang. Place beef, rare pre-cooked beef or beef balls. Betlog ng baka or both on the top except for palatless po. Sprinkle chopped scallions on top except for po without onions. Finally, you're in the boiling broth. Pour in your boiling. Okay, serve immediately. Okay, so first bowl, I think po and beef and cilantro, green onion, cilantro, and broth. Ano ba yan? And dish. Tama, dish and ilan daw? 3 youtiao. Youtiao. Oh! Hallelujah! Okay. Para sa'yo talaga to, Mr. Gold. Hindi natin siya papakainin. Serve. Oh! Oy! Bro, pasaway kang aso ka. What the bro? Nag-drip. Grab driver. Uy, tama, grab. Hindi siya grab. Hold siya, hold. Lagyan natin siya dito. Sa kumukulo. No, we can't. Please, Mr. Gold, bro. Nakakawala ka. Diyan ka lang, ha? Cutie na yan. Let me do for you. Kumukha na talaga yun. Talk to Mr. Grab. Oh, grab. What the heck, bro? May grab driver. So, i-deliver niya siguro to. Grab food ka ba? Or yung grab na mukha ng pasayro mismo. 1 bowl of well done beef po with lots of onions, no rice, no youtiaos. 1 bowl of well done beef. So luto, I think. That. Got it. Pre-cook. Okay. So first bowl, pre-cooked beef of bowl. Pre-cooked beef. Tas yun lang. Think. Hindi. Okay, So I think, wait lang. Bowl. Pre-cooked beef. Onions. Tas broth. Okay. Pwede na. Sa'yo talaga yan, boss. Yan, kumain ka ng marangal. Salute to Grab driver, guys, na nagtatrabaho. Well, ganyan yung papa ko. Oy, bro. Sundalo ka ba? Or minero? Like, kumikinang-kinang yung sa helmet mo. So, andun na ba yung bayad mo? Iniwan mo? Nope. So, can we sit here? Should we sit here and talk? LH, man, the po is delicious. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Masarap ba yung luto ko? Well, guys, noon talaga pangarap ko mag-entrepreneur, magbenta ng ganito, magkaroon ng sariling kainan. Well, now, nasa drafting ako. Kahit wala akong ideya sa mga ganung mga bagay. Well, nag-aaral naman ako. I'm also third year college. This is the only po restaurant in the village. Well, bro, I'm rare. Hindi mo na makikita sa iba. I mean, hindi mo na ako mahanap sa iba. Yung kagaya ko. Bagay yung nasasabi nila eh. And it's conveniently located on the morning jogging route. Okay, dito ka ba nag-jogging? Well, I think sundalo siya. Jogging for army. Like, pabaril. I come here often. Well, thank you. Thank you, bro. Oh, 20k. Well, thank you. Wala nang sukle. Salamat. Tip na yun yung magkano ba yung po? Okay, 15k. So, may 20k siyang binigay. Well, tip na yun, sir. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Arigato gozaimasu. Bye-bye. Jogging na. Bro, hindi siya alis hanggat hindi natin binibigay. So, 5k. Payment, 20, food. Okay. Jogging na ba ulit siya? Tapos kumain. Tumakbo, may patcho ka sana. And si Grab driver, naka-face mask. Sir, wala na pong pandemic. Can you remove the mask? Baka mamaya, habang nakupo daw ako dito, baril-barilin mo ako. Nods. Ano meron? Nag-nods lang siya. 50k? Bro, wala kang pariya lang sa umaga. Wala kang pera. Meron pala. Tensya na po. Grab driver. Payment, food 15. So, 15. 35. Ilang? 30. 35. Let's go. Oy! Go! Bro, na-miss ko yung aso ko. Ginaganto ko yung aso ko pag lalabas ng bahay or papasaway siya. So may bigay kita dito kay mama. Ayaw, sa'yo na nga to. May flag ng Vietnamese. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kwabak! 99 nyo, did. Buwak! Troki. Tangalon. Daybay, lacho. Chobay. Tragop. Chobay, tragop. Kaya ano ba yan? Yung malaban ng puso negro. Sipsip puso negro. So, babalik natin siya. Mr. Gold, pasaway. Ikaw isusunod ko. Ikaw gagawin ko sabaw mamaya. Bibenta kita. So, can I talk to him? Same house sila. I think mga minero sila. Village chief. Hello, young man. Congratulations on the opening of your restaurant. I've come to grab a bowl. So, bowl lang. Ilang beses sabi mo, Tay. Chief. Sige, you can have the bowl and bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, village chief. Please come in. Before, I wanted to eat pho. I could only call a shipper or walk outside the village. It's great to have a pho restaurant here now. Well, ngayon lang kayo nakakita ba ng ganito? Baka may Jollibee o McDo dyan. Well, mas masarap pa rin ako itong pho. I'll have 1 bowl of rare beef and 5 youtiaos. Okay, coming right up. Maupo ka muna, sir. Baka magkaroon ka ng ano yun tawag doon, yung parang rayuma ka dyan, marayuma ka. Rayumahin ka dyan habang nakatayo ka. Okay, rare beef, bow. Rare beef. Okay, first bowl, and ilan yun? Ay, hindi. Ba't ba tayo tumayo? Kita naman natin siya, tanong natin siya. Rare beef, bow. Atin siya sa atin, no? Basta tignan niya na paano siya magsandok. Wait lang. Papakitaan kita tayo kung paano mag-serve ng pagkain. Una, hawak sa aso. Pat mo. And then, yan, upo. Kuha ng bowl. Galing sa aso. I mean, yung kamay ko galing sa aso. Kukuha ng bowl. Ganun yung paghawak sa bowl. Dapat yung paghawak sa bowl nandun sa loob ng kainan. Then, beef. Green onion and kultaro. Broth. And ano yun? 5 youtiao. 5 youtiao. 5. Okay, coming right up, sir. Ops, diyan ka lang. Pat natin siya. Yan. Huwag mo sabihin pinakain mo yung... okay, kala ko pinakain eh. Pop. Dito ka lang. Sir, look at my dog's butt habang kumakain. Look at it. Masarap ang dish. Diyan gawa ang po na kinakain mo ngayon. Dito gawa ang po na kinakain mo ngayon. Oy. Bro, you're kinda sus. Are you a TV5 reporter? Because yan, may red na spot. Then, TV5, no? No, leash. Diyan, pat muna natin siya. Pakita natin sa customer natin. Yan, nandiyan ka lang. May talk to yun. Exciter. What does it mean? Excited siya kumain ng po. 1 rare beef, cold rice, and 2 youtiaos. 1 rare beef, okay. Excuse me. So, ang cold. Like, kasi pag nagtitinda rin ako, guys, pag nagtitinda rin ako, nagtitinda ako ng almusal sa umaga eh. Ako kasi taga-tinda sa amin. So, pag may mga customer na bumibili sa akin, ako kasi parang, magkano po, 25 po lahat yan. Tapos pag bibili, ito nga po, sige po, isa. Like, salamat, yun. Like, pagtas nila bumili, salamat pa rin ako. Syempre, parang respect. Then, di mo na ako ganito ka-cold. Well, masama rin yung tingin ko sa ibang customer, yung mga, kinda mayabang. Minsan binibiro pa ako kahit di biro, like hindi maganda yung umaga ko. Okay? Rare beef, balls, cold rice. Bro, magkatabi sila. Sabwat? Well, siguro, normal lang naman yan. So, bowl, rare beef, balls, rare beef, and balls. Beef balls o beef? Tapos, green onions, broth. Tapos, hindi. Dish. Whole rice. And 2 youtiaos. Am I right? Tama ba? Okay, wait. Kaya mo sa aso. Mali ata. Rare beef. So, may rare beef, I think. So, may rare beef. Broth. Then, cold rice. Tapos, 2 youtiao. Tama ba? Ay, nakalimutan ko yung onions. Putik na yan. Okay, pakain natin. Busugin na natin si Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold. Hand hit. Beef. Beef balls. So, onions. Green onions. And yan. Dish. Cold rice. 2 youtiao. Okay, all goods. Ba't ganyan yung itsura niya? Like, creepy. Okay, ikaw bro, can you look at this? This is my dog's butt. So, yung kinakain mo dyan ngayon is gawa dito sa asong to. And I hope mag-enjoy ka. Sabalik ka si Mr. Gold. Pasaway ka, Mr. Gold, Sisundan niya tayo ng tingin. Sit. Some talk. I just wondering why there aren't any other po restaurants here. Wala akong idea. Tanungin mo sila. So, if you want to, magtatayo ako ng ibang branches sa iba't ibang lugar sa bahay natin. Isn't that Isn't that a good thing? Now the whole village will come to your restaurant? And also, actually, you're not the first person. What do you mean not the first person, bro? Chief? What do you mean? Like, not the first person? What do you mean, sir? I mean, there was a Poe restaurant here before, but I'm old. My mind doesn't remember anything anymore, but I'm sure you don't need to worry about it. Oh, that's alright. I was just asking for fun. Well, yes, minsan, pag may nagsasabi talaga ng mga ganyang bagay, like curious ako, like kunyari may sasabihin sila, dati may nagbenta na dito ng ganito, ganito, ganyan, or kaya yung ibang tao na, may sasabihin ako. Kasi sa tatanungin mo, kasi yung iba magtatanong na, may sasabihin ako. Tapos ako magtatanong ako, ano yun? Sabi nila, ay wala pala. Like curious ako, wow, nakakainis mga ganun tao. I mean, hindi mo nakakainis. Like nakakainis lang, hindi nila sasabi yung, ano dapat nila sabihin. Is that so? Well, I'm leaving now. I'll come again another time. Okay, bye-bye. 50k. Sure, okay. Payment, 50k. Food, okay. Balik 30? All goods. Bye-bye. There? Oy! Oy, Mr. Gold! Mr. Gold! Pag ikaw nabangga ka, tama mo, siopaw ka talaga dyan. Magiging 2D ka, tignan mo. Yan, Mr. Gold. Pwede ka ba ikadena? Nagtatambo ka ba? Huwag mo ko iwan. Kaya lang kasama ko dito eh. Sinong cute dog na yan? Sino mamayang isasabaw? Sino mamayang isasama sa sabaw? Talk. Excited. Tat. Uy. Oh, okay. Thank you. Some 100k food. Some 50. Then, wait. 5k. Okay. Thank you, boss. Oh. Day 1, afternoon. Okay, ito yung day 1. Kakabukas na natin, tas hapon na. Kasi alas 6 kanina eh. It's been a pretty busy morning. That's actually a good sign. Oy, Mr. Gold. Uwi ka na ba? Tatampo ka sa akin. Ba't mo iniiwan, ha? Ito ka lang. Uy, ay na ulit si Tatang. Hello, Tang. Order ulit siya. Pagtas siya mag-jogging. Bro, alas 6 pa rin ng hapon. Hindi nagbabago yung clock. Baka walang battery. Hello. I like one rare beef po, some cold rice and Fabio Tao, please. Okay, I'm right up. Okay, rare beef po and cold rice. Rare beef. Wait lang. Rare beef po, cold rice and youtiao. Ilang youtiao? 5? Rare beef, yo. I mean po. Yo, what the heck? Okay, all goods. All goods, ito na tayo. Salamat at bumalik ka. Ayop, mag-enjoy ka dyan. Well, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And ayop, magbayad ka. Oy. Ikaw. Uy! Si Grab driver naman. Dito, takbo na tayo. Takbo natin motor niya. Balik ka dyan, Mr. Gold. Kuliti ka. Sakasabaw na talaga kita. Talk. One bowl of well done beef po with lots of onions, no rice, no youtiaos. With lots of onions. Okay, so got it. Pre-cooked beef, okay. Right there. Lots of onions. Bro, weird yun yan, natin sa atin. Pre-cooked beef, tas lots of onions. Okay, ready to serve. Coming right up. Wag ka lang tumingin ng ganyan. Hindi na nga ako ano ng mata mo eh. So, okay, tapos na siya. Wala man lang nagiging hugasan tayo. So, magbabayad na siya, I think. Uy, ala! Okay, uy, si Mr. Doggy. Ito. Barangay Tanod. Ano pa kuha ng aso? What? Oh, ending, lost go. Bro. Wawa, wala na. Siya na yung sinabaw. Dapat ako sasabaw sa kanya endings. Wala. Okay, afternoon. No, after day 1 afternoon. Oh, day 1 afternoon, di ba? Day 1 afternoon yun. Okay. Well, ikaw na naman. Nakukuha ka dyan ng riding in tandem na nangunguha ng aso eh. Imbis na magnakaw eh, no? Nakuha yung aso eh. Gagawin siopaw. Kuya Menudo. Well, magdagdag ako ng tay. Kung gusto yun, magdadagdag ako ng bagong dish. Menudo siya, gawa sa aso. Okay. Ang bira. Rare beef bow. Rare beef bow. As all rice. Wait, 5. Okay, all goods. Wait. Boy, huli ka, Mr. Gold, ha? Ito na, pinipet ka na nga eh. Huwag mo iwan, tayong dalawa na nga lang nagsasama eh. Sinong good boy na yan, Sinong good boy ang kumakawala sa list niya? At magpapahuli? Hoy! Okay, may grab driver ulit. Okay, cut it. May cook po. Okay, pagkaupo mo. Ay, tayo. Siya na. Yan, bilis akong servings. So, yung babayad mo sa akin mamaya, wala nang ibabayad. Kala ko alis ka. Oy. Huli ka. Sinong mabait na aso? Lalaga mamaya. Sino ilalaga mamaya? Si Mr. Gold. Let me know. Samit lang. So, Doc, how was the first day? It was alright. You'll have a lot of customers soon. Yes, kasi ako lang nag-iisa nagtitinda dito ng PO. You might want... wait lang, kasi ng tenga ko. You might want to consider hiring staff soon. Na bro, may mag-aagaw ng pwesto ko. I mean, ako na nga lang bubuhay sa sarili ko and now may sasawrin pa ako. I mean, may papasawrin ako. Na bro, ako na muna. Tsaka na lang pag lumago na, pag nagkaroon ako ng sariling branch. You're just kidding, sir. But can I ask you something? I heard the village chief say there used to be a PO restaurant in the village, right? That's right. If I'm not mistaken, that restaurant used to be right here. What a coincidence, huh? Oh, so ito, dating restaurant na ng PO dati. Exclamation mark. Could you tell me more about that? It was a long time ago, about 10 years I think. So, no one remembers or mentions it anymore. So, naging urban legends na. Kasi 10 years. So, ilang na yun, like, decades ba? Hindi yung decades eh. Kalimutan ko. Ang bira. Former owner was just like you. He came to the village to open a restaurant. Business was booming. Then sumabog yung restaurant niya. Then suddenly, one day, a restaurant hung a closed sign. And the owner vanished without notice. Baka dati siyang avatar. Diba? Like, nagtitinda siya ng PO. Like, noodles. Cold rice. Cooked beef. And broth. O diba? Dati siya nagbebenta ng PO. Alam mo lang. Like, avatar? No one in the village knows why. Baka nalugi. Like, the bankrupt. Since then, no new PO restaurant has appeared. Yes, the village isn't that big with few shops. So, I think para siyang itong village ito, it's kinda, parang subdivision, ganun. Excuse me. And after the incident with the old PO restaurant, a lot of strange rumors appeared in the village. What rumors? Curious ako, so tatanungin natin sa tatay. Some people in the village rumor that this place is haunted. You're kidding, the old man. You're just kidding, bro. And anyone who does business here will face misfortune. Kamalasan. Nah, bro. Sana ako doon. Malas ako haraw-haraw eh. Bah! And the owner of the PO restaurant from back then was cursed and died without a trace. Nah, bro, I'm lucky. I have Mr. Gold. May aso ako taga-lucky. Well, minsan malas siya guys kasi kumakawala tayo eh. Malas din siya minsan. That doesn't sound good, does it? Yes, it doesn't. Aha. I think those things are nonsense. If we do honest business. Aray, kati talaga ang tenga ko. Sensya na. There's nothing to worry about. Anyway, I'm heading home now. Ingat tayo. Goodbye, sir. Ingat. At tatakbo ka ulit. Oh, okay. 50k. Ilang kati talaga lang tenga ko. So, 50k. The food. Sa 25 lang din. All goods. Bye, Tay. Ang tagal kumain ni kuya. Like, hinintay niya siguro si tatay na umalis. Yan, tagal. Ang awkward naman kung ang awkward naman kung sasabay ako. Ang bastos ko kung sasabay ako sa usapan nila. Ganun. Nuts. Okay, thank you. 50k. 50k. Okay. 15 yung food. I guess 35. All goods. Bye-bye. Ay! Rentado ka, Mr. Gold. Huwag ka sumaman sa kanya. Kung na nga lang meron ako eh. Nga lang, pat-pat natin siya. What the frick? Bro. Kapre. Daming tato. Damit ba yan o tato? Bro, upo ka lang ganyan sa lamesa ko. Like, ganyan siya sa lamesa ko, guys. Angas mo ah. Angas mo ah. Pwede ba ilutin sa likod? Tusukin kita ng tinidor tsaka chopstick eh. Can you talk to him? Ano? Ano nang gagawin? Anong gagawin? The freak? Dapat ko ba siya takbuhan? Oh, sir. Smoking isn't allowed in my shop. A thug. Oh, like, ano siya? Gangsta. So what? You think this town has rules? Please, put out your cigarette or smoke outside. Well, kahit ako, ayoko talaga. Pag nagtitinda ako, ayoko talaga may nagsisigarilyo sa harap ko eh. Like, nagtitinda ka, tapos bubugahan ka ng usok. Pwede ba lunukin mo na lang yung usok ng sigarilyo mo? Put out my ass. Bro, I'm gonna put your ass out. You want me to smash your face in it? Don't get smart with me. Alam ko malaki ka. Pero sige, ampas ko sa yung electric pan na to. Tatat. What would you like to eat, sir? Eat your crap. Dito, binubuhusan ng sabaw eh. Diba? Like, gusto mo sakalin. Eat your crap. I don't want your shitty noodles. I'm here to tell you this. You owe me a tax cut. Kapal ng mukha mo ah. DPWH? Gobyerno sa Pilipinas? Tax? What tax? Everyone in this village who wants to do business peacefully must pay tribute to me. But sino ka ba? Papangaralan kita. Bayani ka ba dito? Like, mukha ka lang naman tambay. Yung ba yung bubuhay sa'yo, tax? Like, gaya ka ng gobyerno dito sa Pilipinas? I don't like having my patience tested. But since you're new here, I'll give you some time to prepare. Remember that, kid. No? Makakalimutan ako. Paalala mo lang sa akin. Maraming salamat. If you don't comply, deal with the consequences. I don't want to breathe this filthy times air for another second. Oh! Bro, bulagta. Yan. Dila ba to? Kinamao tayo. Na-aprikat tayo pa ganun. Bro, medyo masakit yun. Dat binuhusan mo ng sabaw. Dat lumayo ka muna. Dati mo siya kinausap. Suka ka ng sabaw. Layas! Ayun ang may masiga dito sa restaurant ko. Aside from the psycho, this afternoon, the first day went pretty well. No. Went pretty well. Pretty well? Kinamao ka? Ina-uppercut ka? Hindi yan pretty well, bro. I managed to observe quite a few people in the village. Hopefully, more will come tomorrow. Time to clean up and close the shop. Okay, Mr. Doggy. Thank you sa pagbantay sa akin. Di mo tinulungan, di mo man lang kinagat yung ano. Pero pag gusto mo lumayas, nagagawa mo, kagatin yung sumapak sa akin, hindi. So where's the trash? So where's the freaking trash? Here? Oh. Uy! Yan! Yan, mga kulto! Yan! What was that? Salamat, kumahol ka. May silbi ka rin pala. Close up and get ready to rest. Oh! What the freak? Galing sa taas, kapre nga siya. Hey, you little punk. The shop's closed already, sir. I told you, I didn't come here to eat noodles. Bro, ayaw niya ng noodles. Anong gusto mo? Youtiao? Or cold rice? Or beef? Pwede naman beef, mommy. Ayaw niya ng noodles. You had plenty of time to think. Now give me your answer. Sagot ko ba sa exam? Kaklase ba kita or what? Wait, kalaban mo rin ba yun? Hand over the money or die. Refuse. Okay, I'll give you the money, but first, I have to tell your boss, Mr. Gio. Huh? Who? Gio Man Fat. What? Gio Man Fat. Time to sleep. What the heck? I hope di niya kaya sapakin. Buti di niya siyapak yung ano? Huh? Oh! Makasamahan niya! Siya. Yeah, si Mr. Gold. Pati ako nasunog. Sasya. Bro, badass.
Rạng sáng ngày hôm nay, trên địa bàn huyện Đan Phượng, thành phố Hà Nội đã xảy ra một vụ cháy nghiêm trọng tại một tiệm phở, khiến một người thiệt mạng. Nạn nhân được xác định chính là chủ tiệm. Các nhân chứng cho biết, thời điểm ngọn lửa bùng phát đã nghe thấy một tiếng nổ lớn. Nhận được tin báo, lực lượng cảnh sát phòng cháy chữa cháy và cứu nạn cứu hộ đã có mặt tại hiện trường, phối hợp với chính quyền và người dân chữa cháy. Đến gần sáng, ngọn lửa được khống chế. Nguyên nhân ban đầu được xác định là do rò rỉ khí gas.
Bro, nasara ko naman na, tapos enough ko rules and consequences, band-aid. Hey. Hey, thank you Mr. Gold, kumahol ka. And dito na siya babagsak, I think. Yeah. Okay, na siya. Hey, you little punk. Okay. Accept natin. Here's the money. See? Isn't it faster when you behave? Bro, porkit malay katawan mo. So, yung kasama niya isa lang. So, I think this is the best way na para maiwasan yung pasabog nitong kupal na to. Yung malay katawan, malitang utak. Take the money and get lost. Damn it. That's 1 million. Bro, ba't mo binigay 1 million? Still, at least I'm breaking even for now. But how long I can keep doing this? Whatever, time to bed. Pet Mr. Doggy. Yan ka lang, bro. That ino-off mo kasi yung tank eh. It's time to sleep. Bro, 1 million. Parang kinurap lang ng gobyerno dito yun sa Pilipinas eh. Piso nga lang yun sa Pilipinas eh. Dito sa mga gobyerno, piso lang yung 1 million na yun eh. Day 2, morning. Day 2. Let's do our best again today. Okay, tapos bawi natin yung 1 million. I guess. And pat Mr. Gold. Yan. Yung cute doggy dyan na hindi ko nadetektahan. Hindi man lang kinagat. Nakamotor sa likod. Si Grab driver. Lock. 1 bowl of well done beef po with lots of onions and rice. Okay, ulit. Cut it. Pre-cooked beef. Okay. Meat po. Pre-cooked beef. Onions. Then. But. Let's go. Eat well, sir. Thank you. Oy. Yan ka lang. Baka mamaya mahagip ka naman dito ng mga nakamotor tapos mahuli ka. What the heck? Kakamukha sila. Sila lang na iba imo. Ronaldo. Messi. Ronaldo's Messi. Okay. Sila yung umiwalay. Alam niyo, nag-jogging kayo, then may nakitang pagkain. Ako yun sa aming magkakaibigan, pag nag-jogging, tapos may nakitang pagkain. Pagkain, bilhin muna tayo. MU fan, celebrating coming out of the cave to... Are you a caveman, bro? Bro, give me the full combo. A bowl of rare beef and beef balls, cold rice, and pavitiaos. Didn't you guys just get smashed the other day? Ah, well, okay. So, rare beef with bowls. Okay, wait lang. Beef and bowls. And ano yun? Oh, sorry. Hindi ko siya sadya. Cold rice, pabiyata. Ay, ang bobo. Wait, pakain natin kay Mr. Gold. Kasi, di natin lalagyan ng green onions. Beef balls, onions, broth, dish, 1 cold rice, and 5 yetiaos. Okay, coming right up. Oh, wait. Yung aso ko. Dito, kuliti ka. Yan. Sinong good dog? Ang cute, nakakamiss magkaroon ng aso, guys. Nawala na kasi aso ko, pinamigay ko na eh. Kasi di ko maalagaan. Dati yun, nag-rate it ako. Okay, salamat. And, payment 50. Okay. 35. Okay. Ay, huwag ka sumama sa kanya. Mag-grab siya, magtatrabaho. Ako lang Oy. Yan. Sinong good boy? Makawala sa leash. At sinusuwag mo yung mga taong nang babangga sa atin, Mr. Gold eh. Okay, nagbayad na siya. 200k. Wait lang. Tatakas yung aso natin pag kabayad natin. Wait lang. Okay. 100. Tas 50. 25. 20. Tas 5. 5 yun eh. Mali yung pagkapinat ko. Oopsie. Mr. Gold, come here. Yan ka lang. Yung good dog. Sinong good dog? What the heck? A Billie Jean. Wait. Hehehe. Bayan oh. Fast weebs, bro. What do you want to eat, kid? Oni-chan. Oni-chan. Can I ask you a question? No? You just ask one. Nagtanong na nga siya like, pwede ba kita matanong? Nagtanong ka na nga eh. Oni-chan, do you sell a po at night? Of course. No, kid. I the rest too. Oh, I thought this was a horror game. What? Where the player had to work the night shift. Sino siya? Sino yan? Give me a beef bowl and po and cold rice. Okay, wait lang. Akala ko ano si Mr. Gold eh. Ano daw? Wait lang. Ano yun? Beef balls and po. Okay. Beef balls. Broth and yun. Cold rice. Okay. Oops. Wait lang. Oh, saan ka pupunta ha? Sinong good boy na yan ha? Bro, siya siyang weeb. Like, Oni-chan, the heck? Bro, nagtidrip sila. Takbo ko na kaya ito pati si Mr. Gold. Tapos mag-grab na lang din ako. One rare beef, cold rice, and 2 youtiaos. Okay. Rare beef. Okay. Rare beef. And balls. Tapos cold rice. And 2 youtiaos. Okay, all good. And it will, sir. Gusto ata gumala. Lakad-lakad ko kaya to si Mr. Gold. Lakad-lakad natin siya. Ay, wala. Babae na si Ilang, sir? Papat ko lang aso ko. Bago ako magsukli sa'yo, kailangan ko muna mawak sa aso. And can you pat him, sir? Para di siya kumawala. Okay. Talk to him. Hope to see you again tomorrow, Ni-chan. Wrong, weird. I know I'm weird, pero mas weird siya. Yeah, just do half of the calculus problem, kid. 1,000, oy, 20k. Oy, thank you. Exciter. Dat. Talo siya sinabi. 100k. Can you pat him, sir, for me? 100k. Food. 50. As okay. Yung na well, medyo may na ako sa math, guys. Sensya na. Pero nagsusukli ako nakakasukli ako sa paninda ko pag natitinda ako. Sadyang hinulaan ko lang. Day 2 afternoon. Seems like the shop is starting to attract some strange customers. Kaya nga may weeb, tapos may exciter. Wala bang babagsak dyan like kagaya ni Mr. Bean? Uy, nag-grab. Bro, nakatrip siya. Oh, what the heck, bro? Ay, lang. Pat, Mr. Gold. Yan, stay with me. And mag-work tayo, Mr. Gold. 1 bowl of well done beef po with lots of onions. Okay. Got it. Pre-cooked beef. Okay, po pala. Here you go. Here you go, sir. Ito talaga gumana Mr. Gold, Takbo na lang kita. Let's go! Let's... Yan na. Pat natin siya. Let me do it for you. Please, huwag mo naman ako iwan. Ikaw na lang katuwang ko dito. Iwan mo pa ako, ha? Mate mo, banlag ka atang aso ka. Ang cute-cute mo talaga, nakamiss magkaroon na aso. Kumakain siya. See? Ba't parang may binabalak siya masama? Matanda na siya. Ugod-ugod na. Okay. Old man. My teeth! Old man. My teeth aren't strong enough to chew beef anymore. Give me a bowl of Pilot Lespo. What? Pilot Lespo? Okay, wala siyang beef. Okay. Oy, Mr. Goldie. Ito yan. So, di siya makanguya. May na raw yung ngipin niya. Ugod-ugod na Nods. Okay. 50k. 50k. So, 35. 8. 55. Thank you, sir. Oy! Mr. Goldie. Mr. Goldie. Here. Yan. Galing pa ata siya sa bukid, guys, Old man. The flavor is truly nostalgic. It reminds me of the subsidy period. You mean panahon ng Hapon? Ng laban ng Pinoy at Hapon? Payment 20. Okay. Ay, mali. 10. Ay, Mr. Goldie. Come here. Ty, can you look at my dog's ass? No. You don't want to? Hindi siya maglakad. Uy! Naka-wheelchair. Si Leo Miho. Wait lang. Leo Miho? Wait. Is that Leo Miho? No? Look, let me guess. Your team lost today. Wheelchair man. Ha ha ha! An emperor must have a throne. Ay, naku. Is that, you know, yung, ang tawag doon, yung curveball sa curveball? Those chickens know nothing. Okay. What would you like to order, Emperor? One bowl of well-done beef bowl with lots of onions. Okay, same lang sila nung parang Exciter, I guess. I didn't know Grab. Pre-cooked beef bowl. And over here, so may sarili siyang chair. O yun, salamat. Di ako iniwan ni Mr. Gold. Bro, nakakarang yung upo. Bilis! Para lang siya sa The Boys. Yung umikot lang yung chair niya, maganda yung luto ko, tapos umikot siya. Tapos ipapraise niya na ako. Ako kukuha. Judge siya. Keep the change, but you paid the exact amount. Ang yabang, tapos exact amount lang pala. Kupal ka rin no? Butasan ko yung gulong mo, kaya pilayang kita eh. Bro, muntik na siya! Muntik na siya mabangga, ang bilis niyo! What the heck? What the? Ibawokis? Hey ma'am, what the heck? Ba't parang yung mukha mo kalahati tas minirror lang yung isa? Di mo nangyari sa ilong mo, mga betlog. Hello ma'am, what do you like to eat? I mean to order. Which woman? Tat. Ma'am? Ma'am, I thought I had this whole village in the palm of my hand. What do you mean? It's kinda, you know, a reference kay Dr. Octopus, like, the power of the sun in the palm of my hands. Yet, here I am, finding such a rare gem. How refreshing. It's a rare gem, ma'am. What would you like to order, ma'am? One bowl of bowl, no onions. Make it perfect for me, alright? Yes, right away. Youth really has a weight of stringing people's hearts. You make me feel unusually delighted. Young man, here, 500 for my bowl of bowl. Huh? But you haven't even eaten yet. I'm busy today, maybe next time, remember me. Want you handsome? No, I will not remember you, ma'am. Just take a bowl and leave, ma'am. I don't remember my customers. I don't want to see you again, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Oh! Nakatakot. Wait, 500k. Well, thank you. Paldo! Pero ayaw na makita ulit mukha mo, ma'am. I'm not simp. You have a boyfriend. Evening. Is it ulit yung gangster in Tag? More villagers came to the shop today. Work is still going smoothly. That's enough for today. Oh, see, andyan yung Tag, oh. Oh, bro. No. Oh, freaking hell. Yo, bitch. What did you say? Nothing. You know what time it is. It's time to adventure time. I can give you money, but paying 1 million is ridiculous. Of course it is. Because today the tax is too... Kapal naman ng mukha mo. Siguro dahil nagsara yung isang Pau restaurant na owner nito. Kasi ginaganyan mo rin. Dahil pinapabarangay tulpo ka eh. May Tall Pau ba dito sa Vietnam? I mean Taiwan o Vietnam? Huh? Yesterday was just the protection tax. Yan, parang protection shield. I mean protection sa badge sa Wild Rift. Or protection shield sa ML. Or protection kahit sa what. Protection account. Starting today, there's also a business tax. Kapal naman ka. Didn't you make a lot of sales today? You thieves! You bastard are not better than colonizers. Only missing the nationality. I'm in a good mood today, so I'll let your mouth run. Just hand over the money. Hell no! That's why I hate idiots who don't know their place. Bro, nagtawag siya ng mga sabot niya. Did you forget who your dad is? You? Hindi ako galing sa bedlog mo, bro. Whatever, get lost. You refuse the drink. Now you'll get the punishment. Punks like you only learn after making a few punches. Huh? Don't you guys dare move. Don't think no one knows what you bastards are up to? Tug. The old man. You're lucky today, kid. Takbo sila eh. Oh, salamat chief. Salamat chief. I owe you one. Village chief. Are you alright, boy? Yes, thanks to you, sir. That guy's been in trouble with the authorities plenty of times. Still acts like a thug. If he bothers you again, don't hesitate to call me. Alright, I will. But what brings you here, sir? Just doing my usual patrol. Oh, thank you, ship. That ganito yung mga barangay dito sa Pilipinas. Like, naglilibot. You work hard, sir. So you deserve a post, sir. Come here. You're always welcome here, sir. It's nothing. I just patrol up to the abandoned village hall and stop there. You're about to close up, right? Then I'll get going. See you next time, sir. Thank you, sir. May sinundan niyo yung mga tag. Tapos ang show. You! So tired. Time to sleep. Okay. So, si Mr. Gold, wala man lang ginagawa eh. Cutie-cutie na yan. That's time to sleep. Time to sleep. Huh? What happened? Get out. Huh? Get out. No. This isn't where you belong. You have no business being here. Leave! Go back to your mother. No. There's something I have to do. I must stay here. Bro, ang creepy nagsasalita. Darkin siya. Like, pag ginawa ka mo o sinuot mo, magiging host ka niya. Yung katawan niya, you don't know what you're up against. You regret it. This is my vow. My blood debt. Get out! Bro? Uy! Kinamay tayo bro, nakipag-high five. I hope nag-high five back ka. Morning, day 3 morning. That damn nightmare last night made me so tired. But still, I have to keep going. I wonder how mom's doing alone at home. Oh, iniwan mo pala yung mama mo. Nagsasalita siya oh. May mata na siya. Mas ngipin. Pangil. At ilayo mo siya, like tanggalin mo siya dyan eh. Gaming, I think, Comshop to. Otok din Hanoi. Oy, what? May mga parol siya. Pasko na ba? Advance mo ah. November pa lang. I can deal with you. Hahaha. If a tiger doesn't roar, dogs will think it's a cat. Huh? I should have chased you away. One bowl of well done beef bowl with lots of onions and okay. Oh, pre-cooked beef. Okay, here you go. Uy, parang champ. Ay, wait lang si Mr. Gold. Pasaway talaga ito. Parang, wait lang. Ano to ah? Trophy sa words to ah. Diba? Kung tama ako. Oh, this little right. So, ano caption ng words so angas? I'm your fan. Bro, give me one bowl with no onions, cold rice, and spaghetti. No eating onions because you have had enough already? Okay. Onionless bowl. So, cold rice. Cold rice. Spaghetti house. Wait lang. Okay. Let's go. Ay, si Mr. Gold. Makakawala na naman. Yan ka lang. It. Paano makakadaan? Keep the change. But you paid the exact amount. Galit na. Thank you. I hope mabangga ka. Kala ko nandito yung mag-asawa eh. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Ha? Saan ka pupunta? Bro, pati nga ng pet niya. Diyan gawa yung kinakain niya eh. Magbayad na siya. Glory, glory, man united. Yung may sinisigaw niya. 20k, also 100. 50, tas 25. Ay, 100. Ay, 100. 50. 25. Uy, akala ko 100 yun. Uy, Mr. Gold. Sumama sa kanya? Yan ka lang? Oh, sorry na, hindi na kita napapat. Kasi busy ako sa pagtitinda eh. Tensya na. Yan naman siya si Hihi. Hihi. What do you want, kid? Oni-chan is still alive? That's great. Parang gusto mo na ako mamatay ah. Give me beef bowl, po, and cold rice. Okay. Beef bowl. Beef bowl? Tama. Beef bowl. With cold rice, I guess. Tama? Okay, mali. Mali. Di ko dala pala nalagay ng onions. Mr. Mr. Gold, makakain ka na ulit. Di ko na pala siya napapakain. Yan siya na, Mr. Gold. Busy. Mali na naman. Kain ulit. Ay, mabusog ka. Tapos, 5 yutiaws. Cold rice lang. Sir. Weeb. So, I think ahegaw yung damit niya. Yeah, ahegaw. Pati short. Weirdo. Okay, pat natin siya. Pat natin. Sinong good boy yun? Si Mr. Gold, syempre. Uy. Ayan naman si Exciter. Okay. 1 rare beef, cold rice, and 2 yutiaws. Rare beef. Okay. Rare beef. Then, balls. Balls. And tapos, 2 yutiaws. Cold rice. Okay. All goods. Sir. I hope enjoy. Diyan ka lang. Ang dami ng customer ah. Tapos na si Weirdo. This is the last time we see each other. What do you mean? Talk. Exciter, 100k, 22, so 50, then 30, hindi mali, okay, hindi mali, 50, plus 2, okay, 77, day 3 afternoon, okay. Seems like there are fewer customers today. Yep. I hope may customers pa. Afternoon pala naman eh. Hindi ko lugi. So ayun na si tatay. Jogging. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uy! Teleport. Pinod ko pala yung escape. Patpat muna natin siya. Sinong good boy na yun? Sinong cutie na yun? Talk. Today I want to try rare beef and beef balls, bow and cold rice. Coming right up. Rare beef and beef balls and cold rice. Let's go. Ito lagi pa si tatay eh, no? Hey, Mr. Goldie, come here. Okay. Ano tao? Ito pa siya. Ito po tayo. Babayaran na natin siya. Ay, may babayaran niya na tayo. Okay. There's something I need to warn you about. What is it, sir? Well, there's a rather wealthy old woman in this village who always targets young men. Bata pa ako. Sino yan? Teke-teke? This old woman often seduces young men like you with sweet talk and gives them a lot of... Oh, so yung mayaman. Ano ginagawa? Pinapatay ba? Ginagawa noodles? And rumor has she's the village chief's ex-wife. Oh! Si village chief's ex-wife niya, yung babaeng nakasasakyan na may mask, may kasamang jabokis, may boyfriend. Binigyan tayo ng 100k? 500. I don't want to interfere too much with your private life, but I think you should be more careful. She'll likely target you next. Thank you, sir. I will keep that in my mind. So, sir, na-meet ko na siya and, well, thank you sa info. Well, na-meet ko lang naman siya. Wala pa ako ideya sa kanya. Then, now, bigyan mo ng info. Maraming salamat, sir. Salute to you. Good luck. Ingat. Oy! Si Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold. Let me do it for you. Oh, sir, ito ba sabi mo? Pagkatin mo siya. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this butt. Siya yung pangit na babae. Hello, sweetie darling. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. You look at that face of yours. Haven't you already heard rumors about me, haven't you? No, ma'am. You don't need to hide it. I couldn't care less about people's gossip. Ma'am, wala akong ideya sa'yo kung sino ka man. Like, kakakilala ko lang sa'yo. I like to stay longer, but I'm a bit busy today, so I'll leave now without bothering you. But there's something I want to discuss with you. Yesterday, I said I really like you. That was the truth. Na bro, di tayo magpapalinlang. Ganito yung mga naninilang sa probinsya, like, mga demonyo, ganun. Na bro, I'm not simp. Sa ganyan mong ilong. Like bro, look at your nose. So, I want to give you something special. I want to invite you to my paradise. Paradise? That's right, paradise. There, you'll see and experience things you've never seen before in your life. What kind of paradise is that, ma'am? And now, I refuse your offer. So go away. Stay the freak out away from me, ma'am. I've never invited anyone myself before. But you're my special. Di mo maninilang. Sinungaling ka na nga. Ganyan nga pa nansisidos ka pa at mukhang papatay mo pa ako, I think. However, this opportunity only comes once and must be decided right now. So what do you say? I refuse. Sorry. I'm not simp. Thank you for the invitation. I mean, tayo pala yan. Thank you for the invitation, but I can't accept it. Oh my, what a pity. Well then, I guess I have nothing left to do here. Goodbye, dear. Uy. So, shut your bitch ass up, ma'am. Come on, Mr. Doggy. Kagatin mo. Ayang. Dudes yun, di tayo nagpasidus. Okay. Barely broke even today. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Oh! Huh? Why is it so crowded? A class reunion? Looks like they're gathering somewhere. Suspicious. Maybe I should follow them. But I can't let myself be seen. What should I do? I've got an idea. What the? What the heck, bro? May damo ko.
Ai đấy. Chắc là gió thoảng qua thôi.
Masabi na wind. Bro, what the heck? Halata ka, may damo sa kalsada.
Ai đấy. Chắc là gió thoảng qua.
Masabi na wind. Huh? Okay. Okay. China.
Ai đấy.
Who's there? Wala po. Damulan to.
Chắc là do mình tưởng tượng thôi.
Must be an imagination. I'm just bush here. Walking somewhere else. Napadaan lang po.
Ai đấy.
Like,
Chắc là gió thoảng qua thôi.
Potato.
Tiếng gì đấy?
What is that noise? Kaya lang yun eh.
Chắc
Kumakanta
là
tayo
gió
eh.
thoảng qua thôi.
Masa binuin. Si Bana. Bana. Oh, no. Oh, may kanta. Isa TikTok.
Ai đấy?
Ay.
Chắc là do
Masa
mình
binuin.
tưởng tượng thôi.
Mas may imagination. Ito. Bana. Potato. What is that noise? Bro, wala naman ginagawang tunog.
Chắc là
Kailan
do
nag-iingay?
mình tưởng tượng thôi.
Potato. Bana. 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 Potato.
Ai đấy?
Who's there?
Chắc là do mình tưởng
Mas
tượng
may
thôi.
imagination. Okay, nasundan natin sila. Yung kinakanta nila yung kanta sa TikTok. Yung music sa TikTok. Kabit na miss. Bana. Potato. They went into the building ahead. Wait lang. Katinantayin ako talaga. If I'm not mistaken, that's the abandoned village hall. Yung sasabi ni Chief Village. What's inside there? Also, this area is way too deserted. Kailangan ko mapunta? Ha? Hindi ba? Pasok ba tayo sa loob? Investigate. What should I do? Peek inside? Eavesdrop? Oh, mga kulto nga sila. Bro, may nakaiga. Oishi. What the hell is this? Bro, mga kulto sila. Mga gangster. Like, nagpipiknik, sip over, mamaya basa na puwet nung isa, ang aga natulog, laki na ng butas ng puwet niya mamaya, kinabukasan. Is this their hideout? Looks like there's another area behind the curtain. What could it be? Uy! Uy! Pang! Tayo yung naputan, tinira tayo patalikod. Cho Tueng Kong Hang. Village 1. No way, again? So sudden that noodle shop was so good. Anyone knows that what happened? Village 3. I haven't even had a chance to eat there yet. Such a shame. Village 4. Villager 4. Well, that's done. It's done. Hope that young man's okay. Also, bad ending. Namatay tayo. Missing owner, okay? So, sa day 3 na tayo sa gabi. So if you choose the paradise, masok tayo sa loob. Isa sa cutscene to guys. Sinek ko lang kasi walang options dun eh. Montage na naman. Nasibat sila. Akala ko panungkit. Mas nagsusugal I think. May maskara tayo? Nagbabara sila tapos pustahan. Okay, gets. Montage na naman ng putik. Oh, so ginamit natin yung mask. Yung devil mask na sa tindahan. Ano yung patay? May two couples here. What the heck? Mga nakabanisot sila or nakaubad like censored. Fisherman, your mask. I recognize it the moment I step into the restaurant. I saw it once in Japan when I was just a little girl. And many times later when I work in the Golden Triangle. You're one of us, aren't you? And I have a feeling you're so special one too. Or rather, you used to be, right? I don't know what happened that made you quit, but I suppose everyone has their own secrets. Anyway, welcome to my paradise. Paradise? Like, lahat kayo mo pupunta sa impyerno, kasamaan nyo. This place has no boundaries. Everyone is treated equally, and every desire is respected. Everyone who steps in must wear a mask. Not to hide, but to be free to live by their instincts. You see, even though this is just a small place in the middle of nowhere, I still manage to keep it running smoothly and no one dares to interfere. So siya nga pala yung, diba, ex nung Thief Town. But I'm not stopping here. I plan to open more paradises across this city and in the whole country. To make that happen, I need people who understand the game, who know how to control it. People like you, called Cam and bound by false morality. All it takes is your nod, and we'll give you the place you truly deserve. No more hiding behind that mask. Bro, magtatayo daw siya ng ganito. Like, magtatayo ka pa. Like, siguro, illegal business yung ganito. I think. Like, masasama. And naka-censored lang talaga yung nakakatawan ng mga babae. Bawal talaga to. Siguro, I think sa ibang bansa maraming ganito. Like, mga kulto sila or what. And ako daw yung special daw. Sa pakingita, ang dami-dami mong lalaki. Ang daldal nitong babaeng to. The world is always ready to welcome your return. It's just a matter or whether you dare to come back. Anong gagawin? So what's your answer? What if I accept or refuse? I see. What a shame. Like we can't be together forever after all. Kung sasapakan, no? Papasapak na naman ako doon. Vietnamese siya, oh. May star pa nga sa sombrero niya, eh. I'd love to leave you be, but you already know about this place, so I'm sorry. But I can let you go. Hahaha. You've been getting on my nerves for a while now. But since the big sis said, oh, kapatid niya, I'll let you leave. Don't you dare beg for me for mercy. So what will happen if we refuse this? Tayo lang tayo dyan buong magano habang kumakanta yung iba.
Đừng có dưới nhảy mạnh lên.
Rapper, we'll be dancing.
Ai sợ thì đi
Go
về.
home if you're scared.
Phong cách.
Phone crack.
Phong cách. 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 Phong cách.
Okay, Absolute Cinema Boy.
Ủa, chúng mày thấy bộ bài đúng không?
Excited, guys. Hả? Oh, patay. Oh. No, Twisted Fate. Oh, sa pool. Oh. Ginalibag mo. Ini-smash. Kinrush yung bone, yung lungs. Bang, tinadyan. Apat pa. Sige, lapit. Oh, sinayawan. Yung spin kick ni Chun-Li. Ay, yung ano yan, yung umiikot na sinisipa. Sinayawan. Diniktukan sila eh. Come on, Speed. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Boom. Tinadya ka nun. Yung betlog. Oh, flying kick. Oh, pang. Tanggal. Sarado. Paglaho, ay bro, di lang pala tayo Karate Kid, tayo rin pala si Batman eh. Tatakbo tayo. There are too many of them. And they got big Slayer spears too. I have to retreat. Nah, bro. Where should I go? Here? Oh, takbo lang. Di na tayo titingin sa likod. Titingin lang tayo. Ano to? Ikaw ba tagaligtas ko? Ay, Grab driver! Bro, let's go! May Grab driver tayo! Catch them! Let's go! Bro, kala! Ganun ang game. Let's go, Grab driver! Atat mo sama si Grab driver. Wag niyong don't judge the cover by the book, its cover. Lumabak pa yung dalawa. Kahit matumba sila? Hindi. Ang ginawa natin sa Grab driver. Leo, lawas kayo dyan. Exciters. Ang tagal pala ng game na to. Si Leo Mio! Uy, dangos! Gago! Uy! Si Grab! Si Leo Mio, makarurot din. Uy, mano! What the heck? What the? Helicopter? Hey, wait. Bana! Potato! Lemiho! Umayos ka dyan, bro. Salim yung bara ako. Bro, cards na yung gamit natin. Yung ba yung tinignan natin, tapos kinuha siguro natin. Dami yung baraha. Oh, man. Let's go. Oh, hindi natin sasayangin. Ay, si Leo Mio, bro. Yung mga nagkakano. Cool. Sila umiho ulit. Let's go. Ang dami naka-wheelchair. Nangangarera din sila. Okay. Sebana. Potato. Reload. So we still have 35. Nakakain natin sila. No, I'm speechless, bro. 35. Okay, we got 29. Layo na nilakbay natin. Layo na natin sa tindahan. Ano ba to? Ay, gago. Okay, dugo na tayo. Ayos ka dyan. Hindi na bangka ng truck? The heck? Okay. Hindi natin may pumunta sa harap. Makakagis ulit sila. Uy! Okay, durog na ako. Gagi, nagisa nila ako ng bato. Sana yung bato na lang na nakaka-addict. Okay, ayos tayo. Let's go. Tayo na, giliw. We have 18 cards, 12 cards. Dito tayo sa gilid. All goods, patay na. Hindi ba tumba? Tuloy pa rin yung laban. Oh, papatay na tayo. Oo, posible walang tricks. Ooh, let's go! Bro, di lang pala tayo marunong magtinda. Marunong din pala tayo lumaban. Tumba. Helicopter kick pala ni Chun-Li. Oh, shiz. Hangas, bro. What the heck? Bro, naging host tayo ni Zahen. Matakbo na tayo. Wala. Oh no, si Mr. Gold. No way. Hello. No, Mr. Gold. Oh, man. We lost naman as a pet owner. Nah, bro. Cheer up, bro. Oh. Buhay siya! Buhay siya! Mr. Gold! Buhay siya! Okay lang kahit masira yung tindahan. Mas all goods na yung buhay si Mr. Gold. Oh. A few hours later, police forces and mobile units raided the abandoned village hall, discovering many young men and women partying wildly amid pounding music and flashing lights. All participants and organizers were detained for investigation on multiple criminal charges, including drug use, nitrous oxide, abuse, illegal gambling, and prostitution. Oh. May mga patutot as mga drug users, sabi ko na eh. Crowds of villagers gathered to watch the gossip while the media ran sensational headlines non-stop. And just like that, so-called paradise that had haunted the village for so long was no more. Well, the nightmare is gone. Well, good ending ba to? Uy, si Chief. Si Villager's Chief. Village Chief pala. So, you made up your mind, huh? You know, I and everyone in the village are always ready to help you start over. Oh, bro, thank you. Parang si Vico Soto. That ganyan. Iba yung mga ibang gobyerno. Yes, sir, I truly appreciate everyone's kindness, but I decided to leave the village and move somewhere else. Balik na sa nanay. That's a pity. Your po is really good. Still, after all that's happened since you arrived, wanting to live isn't surprising. Maybe this village really is cursed. Nah, bro, sila lang talaga yung mga sumpa dito, yung mga ganyan sa lipunan, mga sumpayan, mga nanggugulo. Nah, bro, that sila matanggal eh. Anyway, on behalf of everyone in the village, I wish you good health and peace wherever you go. Hopefully, you'll meet again someday. Pait talaga ni village chief. Peace bump yan, peace bump, peace bump. Salamat, Chief. Thank you. Oh, hindi. Shake hands pala. But you know what? Oh, brother, hi. Our next meeting might come sooner than you think. Huh? What do you mean by that? Okay. What? You're our first suspect. On the surface, you act like a brave and righteous village leader who protects his people. What? Bro, what a plot twist! What a plot twist! But in truth, you've been secretly taking bribes for the tax money they stole, covering up their crimes. We've been monitoring this village, tracing the money flow and collecting witness statement. So if you really want to repay me for my burden restaurant, then I hope you'll cooperate fully with our investigation. Impossible! Don't tell me you are... Potato! Absolute cinema, bro! Agent Brother High, once again you've completed your mission with excellence. Thanks to you and your team, we've dismantled a crucial link before their network and expand. However, the woman in charge and her henchmen are still at large. Therefore, the command has decided to move the operation to the next phase. You and your men are to return to base immediately for new orders. Brother High will return? It will. Part 2. I hope may part 2, bro. Ang angas ng game. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video. And bro, the best. Laro nyo na itong Brother High po restaurant. The best siya. Maganda siya. And I hope na-appreciate nyo yung video ko and my reaction to this game. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat guys sa support nyo sa 45 followers ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. And magpatuloy kayo supportan ako. And See you next time see you in the next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.